Asibenze sinemukele siyachubeka sixoxisana noNtsikilelo Dlamini losuka eMbiveni Misi khuluma kabanti ke ngetindzaba letiningi sikhuluma ke ngacandana njalo kwi-promotion abasolo bayichuba bayinkampani mhla ka-1 July kutabe kunale draw letabe yenteka sikuvusele inkosi sibonga kakhulu sube nazo nomhla ekseni. Solo siyachubeka nje sikhuluma ngayo inyama yenu siyathi ukuthi vele nikicida only the best ngikusho kone and akusho nini vele senithola ama certificates ngaloko. Why should eMaswati continue to choose Mbiveni Meats?
Siyabonga Mfombeni kuba khona ihlelo namhla ekseni sivusele babukeli ekhaya. Mfombeni, I think firstly let me just acknowledge lokho ukuthi eMaswati siyabona they are now tapping into understanding why it is important to consume inyama that is safe, that is of quality. Siyababona baya commenta kuma social media platforms talking about the meat that they eat. So Mbiveni, as we put our processes and procedures in place, sisakicita the different meat cuts that we sell in our shops, we do it with excellency and we only do it with one goal in mind, which is keeping Maswati households healthy and disease-free. Loko ke kubese kukhulumisa ivision ya First World Eswatini, kuphinze kukhulumise ivision ya Inyati Group Holdings, loko Africa's leading integrated business partner. So everything that we are doing, we do it with excellency. We are leaders in providing quality and safe meat for eMaswati. Siyathi ke ukuthi meat that is contagious or meat lengasiko of good quality causa illnesses lafana nabo food poisoning, even longer term illnesses lafana nabo labo TB. So Liswati letawungena esitolo saseMbiveni lithenge inyama yaseMbiveni can cook that meat and eat that meat with so much confidence because bayati ukuthi bathenge inyama lapho khona ibhotsholwa khona lapho khona quality ihanjelwa embili. So siyakhuthaza nje eMaswati sikhona ekseni sitokhuthaza wona eMaswati ukuthi akangene athenge inyama etitolo taseMbiveni. Titolo taseMbiveni, they are not just mere butcheries. We are nationally trusted by eMaswati to provide inyama that is food that is safe and good for consumption.
Yeah, speaking of providing meat that is safe for consumption, with the outbreak lekona nje ishiselweni, and just to assure your customers ukuthi vele inyama labayidla is safe, nini ngabe itinkomo tenu nitibeka kuphi nitigcina kuphi ititheke ukuthi niyaditesta for diseases, ingabe vele ningasingetha nje isiqiniseko siveke ukuthi vele itinkomo ti safe, inyama le nikicitako iphephile?
Yebo Mfombeni, indzaba excellence ibese ikhulumisa the cattle that we procure kuwo wona eMaswati. We understand ukuthi the export market has been closed now due to a foot and mouth disease outbreak lekhona eSwatini. So now Mbiveni siyathi ukuthi our big market is now locally. Siya understand ukuthi eMaswati athanza inyama lethambile, inyama that is easy to cook. So nasi iyakuyofuna tinkomo kuyo ona eMaswati, we only look for the best. We look for A grades leguma super, siphinze sibuke for B grade leguma prime. Logo ke kukhulumisa the kind of meat that you will get because super isuke iseseyincane lenkomo isese fresh, prime iseyaqala yakhula. Logo ke siklukanisa ngala madinyo sathi ukuthi lena seyikhulile noma lena seyikuphi stage sekukhula. So we do that, and then tikwa logo sinabo bo veterinary assistant labakhona eMbiveni that actually check letinkomo letingenako ukuthi lenkomo lena ide yona velele foot and mouth. Kusuke lapho siye nabo meat inspector naye dokotela ukhona na quality assurance team ikhona. So ngilona loyo kunelichaza lalidlalako ekumaking sure ukuthi lenyama le tawufika eplatini leLiswati ide tifo futhi it is of good quality.
Yeah. Asasingene ke manje kuyo ipromotion lensolweni ichuba candana ja. Siyathatha ama competitions nanisasindibonile ukuthi vele niyathanza to give back to the public. Ngalokho vele indlela nibawinisa imali, nibawinisa inyama specials njalo njalo. Tell us more about this promotion ukuthi ihamba kanjani. 1 July kwendeka idraw.
Yes, Candanaja is a promotion that has been running at Titolo Tasembiveni since 9 May. Isiprushile le promotion throughout May. Kwathi mhla ka-1 kwaba customer Thuli Nhlabathi who walked away with 20,000 emalangeni. So the easiest thing that you can do for yourself, kungena nje esitolo sasembiveni, uthenge inyama lenganga 100 emalangeni kuya eTulu, bese ubhala ligama lakho nenombolo ngemuva kweslip. Bese ufaka leso slip sakho eboxini la Candanaja. Utibeka ke ethubeni lekuwina 20,000 lomunye lotawuhamba ngaye mhla ka-1. So what we are going to do, sitawuthatha tonke letiliphu kuto tonke letitolo tefuta sembiveni, sitifake in one box, send a live draw on Facebook, so that phela sitoba ne-transparency, ma customer atubona vele ukuthi yendiwa kanjani le draw, and then we'll pick one lucky Liswati. We want to change the lives of Emaswati, one Liswati at a time. Tikwa logo ke Mfombeni, we do have road shows lesihamba now lesihamba kiwo every weekend. So lapho nakhona siye siwinise 2,000 emalangeni in cash. Lokwendeka ke le customer liyangena kuleso sitolo lapho khona sine road show ngalelo langa, lithenge ke inyama lenganga 100 emalangeni lifake eboxini. Sisike singahambi ke sibuyele ekhaya after the road show, sente i-draw nakhona siwinise 2,000 emalangeni. So solo indlela yekubuyisela kuyo Emaswati ngoba phela singiyo inkampani that is locally, sisosa tinkomo locally, we are producing for the local market. So this is our way of giving back to Emaswati. Sibonge nje ukuthi they are choosing Mbiveni for their safe and quality meat.
Yeah, lo sho ukuthi the more receipts, more slips you have, the more chances of you winning that 20,000 malangeni.
That is correct in Bombay.
All right. So this weekend kukhona lentaba nikwenda Family Fun Day. Tell us more about it.
Solo sithi nje Maswati akabuye Mbiveni. We are giving them more reason to choose Mbiveni. Tiko ukuthi signika inyama lepotsholiwe, tiko ukuthi we are giving away 20,000 emalangeni. Sisithe nje let us look for a way ukuthi sihlangane neMaswati, sijabule, sibhiyoze, sidle inyama lepotsholiwe yaseMbiveni. So we are having a family day out on Saturday, sitolo sefu Mbiveni Meat Plaza eMbabane. Where we will be having Linda Dlamini Lotabe I host the event. We will be having Emma games that are good for children and that are good for adults. Siyakutsata nje ukuthi Maswati akaphelele eMbabane on Saturday. Sitabe sine braai. We will be selling Eba braai packs and then sitakosela mahala and then give you lipalishi futhi la mahala. Lokwenda konje guta nembanakho ute nababe ekhaya namake ekhaya, ufike uhlale phasi ungcebeleke uthenge inyama, and then have an opportunity to engage naseMbiveni ngoba phela we will be giving away lomunye 2,000 emalangeni for umuntu lotawuthenga esitolo saseMbiveni eMbabane. Sitawuphinda futhi si give back ema products aseMbiveni lesitabe sinawo ku road show.
Okay. So ngiphi lenyama labangayithenga because uphela ukuthi abete eMbiveni batothenga ngimaphi ama specials la khona, ngiphi nje inyama lesingathi vele yi favorite ema customer?
Siyabonga Mfombeni. Currently siyathi ukuthi isimo semnotho akusiso lesijabulisako. So sihleti ke sing eMbiveni sabuka ukuthi ngabe what can we do kubambisa wona eMaswati. So we are launching a combo that are available in all our shops. Lama combos lawa, they are very affordable. They start from as little as 150 emalangeni. Lokusho ukuthi le customer litawukhona kuthenga i-combo lihambe na at least 5 different types of meat cuts nayo ekhaya at an affordable price. Sithi nje Maswati akabuye athenge wona i-tomahawk la ayithanda kakhulu, abuye athenge chakalaka vos ikhona, ema-Russian akhona, ikhona nechaki, nayo i-brisket, i-pork ikhona, inyama nje ithe chithisaka eMbiveni, akwendeke ukuthi ungene ungayitfolile nalo ifunako.
All right. Swakhulu kuyavakala nontsikelelo mbukeli. Sawuthi vele ukuthi kude inyama lengekho lapha eMbiveni this weekend on Saturday kutabe kunale Family Fun Day nakhona kutabe kunenyama leningi, so to make sure ukuthi you attend lapha ititolo tabo.